Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a good time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
So now I'm going to put the mask on, and I'm watching a video. Sorry about that. I'm watching a video, so no, I'm not. Y'all know me. When I be doing my routines, I actually be entertained. So I'm gonna put that music on and let you guys watch me apply this mask for the first time. Deep, 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 deep,
rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for the flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep,
I'm gonna go ahead and put like something, a plastic bag or a cap or something on my head, and see here, I might eat a little something and then get back to the hair routine. Okay, so it's been sitting in my head for probably about 20 minutes, and now we're gonna just rinse it out, deep condition, and move on to the next process. I do feel like my hair is more healthy though. This is my first time using this hair treatment, and we'll see how I feel. I can't say how I feel about it right now, but we'll see. And after I straighten my hair, we'll see like if it's still healthy and strong, and give an overall like review.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last last kick. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a good time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over. Right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby. Reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep,
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride working in the middle. I wanna ride working in the middle. I wanna so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know get broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through, I miss you. And you. I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever real, yeah.
Here's the end of today's video. This is the straightest I got my hair to be. I don't think I put too much on it. Like, it's not bone straight, but this is just what I was able to do at home. And I think this is my second time actually straightening my hair to this extent, where I usually just straighten it enough for it to be like puffed out. But I feel like this is the best that I've done in a while, like since having natural hair. So this is all that I got. And I did go ahead and use some of the Pattern Beauty jojoba oil. Just rubbing it in my hands and distributing it throughout my head. So excuse my voice if I sound very rough. I haven't really been talking a lot today. It's still like the morning time, so I gotta get that coffee in me, and I'm just gonna begin my day. We're gonna start filming some videos and just getting productive. So thank you guys for watching this hair silk press video, and be sure to watch the next video after this, okay? Period. Stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I will see you guys in the next video. Howdy there. Thank you for making it to the end of today's video. Oh my gosh, I really did enjoy, and I couldn't wait to film this video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up this video and subscribe. Also, while we're at it, watch the next video up top. Y'all see what's playing. Click that video, watch it. I promise you, you're gonna get your life. It's gonna be entertaining. It's gonna be dope. Talk to you guys later.